Hi Naptime friends! Welcome back to my channel. It's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Today we are going to be trying a Dutch pour on these tiles and we're going to try to make some coasters. I'm going to do a little bit of a different Dutch pour. I'm just going to use my breath instead of a blow dryer, and I'm going to be using Primal Flow paint. I have a hole in my glove. Don't judge me. I was just taping and taking tape off of coasters. Oh. So let's jump right in. I'm going to grab my paint. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have Plum Perfect, Seafoam Turquoise, Ink and Gold, and Golden Copper. And what I did is I just poured a little bit into some cups. It's easier to pour out that way, I feel. And then I have my shimmer black, and I'm going to use this as my base coat on here. One of these, I got a 3-pack from the Dollar Tree, so why not use them, right? Now I'm going to go in and pop my bubbles with my torch. Don't get too close to your tile or put too much heat because you can start to dry your paint and you don't want that to happen. Now I'm going to place my paint down and I'm going to play some music in the background and speed this up. Try to just do my breath with this, so let's see. That worked. Okay, now back the other way. I think I got paint on my chin. This one looks really cool. Ooh, I was trying to pop those bubbles, but they were not having it. I don't like this and this, those bubbles. Kind of like that better. I'm going to leave those and just see how it goes, how they dry. Close up, see, you can kind of see that shimmer black. But look how pretty that ink and gold is. It's so deep and pretty and shimmery. And you can see the teal under there, but it kind of got lost. When I do black as a background color, it's kind of, oh, and I see bubbles. I need to pop those with my torch. But you see how shimmery that is? It's super beautiful. This one, oh my gosh, I love it. I hate that right there, but I don't want to risk ruining it just for that, because I like what's going on here, like this line right here. Love that. These over here, little gold ink and gold popping through. It's pretty pretty. These are good colors together. This was the Very Berry, I think that's what it's called. Oh no, Plum Perfect. Ink and gold and seafoam turquoise. And a little tiny bit of white. This part right here is really cool. See how these dry. I'll check in with you tomorrow. See how they're drying. And here they are. It's about 18 hours, 19 hours later. They're drying really nice. This one's almost dry, and there's a tiny little spot right up there at the top where it's a little bit of texture where it dried, but that's the only spot. So I think it's going to be fine when I put resin on it. You're not going to be able to notice it, but just right here you can see a little tiny bit of texture. That's why you always want your paints, the same consistency and the same thickness, so that doesn't happen all over your piece. But that wasn't too big of a spot, so this one's turning out really nice too. It's still a tiny bit wet, so it's not all the way dry yet. You can see where the paint's more shiny. That spot right there is a little bit wet, so I hope it dries okay. But you can see they're really nice and shimmery, and they're drying really nice so far. I'm going to be excited to get some resin on these. And I always show my updated work or my finished work on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go check me out over there. I'll have that linked in the description below. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye, naptime friends.